To find the model number of your iPhone, you just need to watch this video till the very end. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. To find the iPhone model number, you just need to open settings on your iPhone. So this is the homepage of settings where you'll see the option of family, Apple account suggestion, airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and all of. So you just need to scroll down and click on the option of general. So on the general, you'll be able to see all of your setup and preference for the iPhone, such as software update, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and all of it. So you just need to click on the option of about at the very top, and at the very top of the page you'll be able to see the name of the iPhone, iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and all of it. So if you scroll down, and you'll be also able to see the IMA number and all of the things from this page itself. So the second thing which you can do is that you need to flip your phone towards the back, and some older iPhones have model number printed on the back, so you may also be able to see it from there. And the third thing which you can do is that if you have an iPhone box with you, then you may also check the barcode label which shows the model name and the model number over there. So that's it. That's how you can find the model of your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.